I know what some of you are thinking. Maybe you just got an SL or you've had an SL for a while and say, Ken, I don't know how to work on cars. I got to take this to the shop. Well, I'm going to show you 2 jobs that you can do yourself. I absolutely guarantee you can do these 2 jobs yourself, and they seem to never get done. One, look at that. Look at the indentation in that. And when I look over here, I can see the Mercedes star there. This is the original cap from 1983. So all you have to do is maybe clean up the lip, because a lot of times you'll see a little bit of corrosion. You can do that with some Scotch-Brite. Just clean this lip up. What happens when this deteriorates, you get a little bit of coolant seeping by, and then of course it corrodes the plating there. Then all you have to do is take the new cap, set it like this, and turn it on. Now, well, that's a great DIY job. The second one is another thing that often gets neglected or forgotten or never even looked at, and that is the rubber seal on the oil filler cap on the valve covers. Most of the time I take these off and they'll just break. And you might think, well, that looks pretty good, but let's compare it with a new one. See that? Now look, you just put it in on that side, stretch it out, put it on this side, and stick it on and turn it clockwise. There you go. 2 great DIY jobs you can do yourself. So I've shown you how easy it is to replace the coolant reservoir cap. I've shown you how easy it is to replace the rubber gasket on your oil filler cap. And there's one other thing on these SLs that gets neglected that's a very easy fix. And this is the grommet that goes in your window washer fluid tank, right in the bottom where the motor is. So what I'm going to offer you R107 owners is a little kit, a little anti-leak kit, okay, that you can do yourself. And that kit will include the cap, the gasket, and 2 of these grommets. So just go to my website, put Cherry in the search box, and you're going to see these items and all the other items that I offer for restoring an R107.